think early childhood care is important because those are like the foundational years. We know that those are the times where our babies are building connections in their brain. They're learning colors and sounds and how to talk and what they like and don't like. And so I know that with my schedule, I can't always engage my children the way I think they need to be engaged. And so to find good quality childcare, people who would love on them and offer those opportunities, I think is very instrumental.
The best way to start the process of finding safe, high-quality childcare is to first understand the different types of childcare settings and then the ways in which they are licensed. There are generally two types of childcare for you to consider: childcare centers or family childcare. A childcare center is generally a classroom setting with children all about the same age, usually transitioning to new classrooms as they get older. A family childcare setting is a smaller group of children grouped together, usually cared for in an educator's home. In this setting, your child may stay with the same educator as they get older and be grouped with children of different ages. In addition to the childcare setting, there are also 3 regulatory categories that you should know about when looking at childcare programs: license, license exempt, or exempt. License programs have required inspections and must follow Missouri child care licensing rules such as ratios, group size, and staff training. Their staff must successfully complete a background screening and a minimum amount of training each year. License-exempt programs are usually programs operated by a religious organization or preschools that operate 4 hours or less a day. They'll have a routine fire, sanitation, and health inspection, but are not required to follow licensing rules. Exempt programs include family child care programs that serve 6 or less children, early childhood programs operated by public or private K-12 education, summer camps, and Montessori accredited programs. These programs are not regulated by child care licensing and may not be automatically included in our database. Keep watching to learn more about searching our database to find childcare options that fit your needs. We're so glad to partner with you at no cost to your family to help you find the best childcare options for you.